Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by checking a couple of essentials so the floating window works now. Open Settings, search for Smart Sidebar or Floating Window, and toggle it on. This allows apps to pop out. Once done, launch the app you want to float and leave it running in the background. Make sure you've granted the app standard permissions. Without permission, the system may block overlay features. This gets your phone ready and moves straight into the interactive steps. Now you'll create the floating window itself. From recent apps, long press the app card or tap the app icon and select Floating Window. Alternatively, open the Smart Sidebar and drag the app into the screen. You'll see a small movable window appear. Drag the edges to resize and hold the title bar to reposition. Make sure to test controls inside the window so interaction is fluid. If you need quick multitasking, repeat with a second app using Split or another. Finish by refining how the floating window behaves. Use the resize handles to get the view you need, tap pin or maximize to lock it, and use the close X to remove it when done. If the floating window won't appear, make sure overlay permissions are enabled for the app, restart the phone, and verify Smart Sidebar is active. If problems persist, reset sidebar settings or clear app cache. These steps usually restore floating function without losing your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.